Baked beans? I try baked beans.
You get two sides.
Oh, baked beans and everything, collard greens.
Oh, potato salad. Yeah. You born and raised here in Atlanta. You know, yeah, trying to do something else being in the street.
Maybe you want to get into the food business.
Hey, I'm one of them dudes that try anything. And I just decided I was gonna get a tow truck, and I was like, man, let me try something that's a little more different. So I was like, I ain't know nobody with no food truck, so I was like, let me try it. So that what made me jump out here with a food truck and been loving that shit ever since.
So you was cooking before you got the truck, you just jump right into it.
I learned that shit with my grandma.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But other than that, yeah, I've been jumping out here on wing and a prep. So far, I've been doing what I need to do.
I'm doing everything working. I jumped off. As soon as it started, like, that brought some of the pitfalls of the business. Like, you already really is.
Oh, yeah, hey, if it came too easy to me, you know it ain't here to last. So you gotta go through the trials and tribulations of this shit. This shit ain't easy.
Let me see if we might have to cook that shrimp first. Hold on.
Man, wait, what are they trying to do?
3 shrimp tacos, 3 first.
I can do it.
We can do it. Got it. We been in the business.
Oh, I'm a year in. A little bit over a year in doing that shit. Boy, what
Pretty good for the grind you got going on.
Oh yeah, that's grind hard. That grind real good. This shit feel like trap. Oh, this shit just like trap.
You remember your first time stepping out with the truck?
Oh shit, I got that thing like last August.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, right, I ain't know nothing about this shit. Ain't know nothing about this shit. It's like funny.
You want to do the real plate? I can make you that up so you can grill on the back.
Oh yeah. When I bought the trailer, it was neat. I had to put all this shit in here. And look, didn't know what the hell I needed to this. I just jumped out there and learned that. I been buying shit as I go. Like, oh damn, that's what I need. That's what I need. Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, you beat a lot of people. Sir, you want this bitch. You want sauce on the real? You want sauce? And then coming up with different shit, been trying shit, and niggas like it.
That's some of the main dishes they've been rocking with.
Man, today I made a dish I ain't never did before, collard green taco. And but when sold it to 2 girls, 2 more niggas came and bought that same shit. That shit crazy. You tell you what,
You want to get a real plate? I heard something about you got a real plate. I'm about somebody waiting on them. They just can't come up.
I got shrimp in this one. Hey, I got shrimp.